In 2026, the American paycheck is under attack. Inflation has outpaced wage growth for the fourth straight year. Nearly 68% of Americans now report living paycheck to paycheck. And traditional 9-to-5 jobs? They're no longer keeping up with the cost of living. But while millions are falling behind, a small group of people is quietly making $500 per day from home. No, this isn't crypto hype. No, it's not risky investing. This is the great 2026 wealth shift. And if you miss it, you could be left behind. Welcome to Wealth Report USA. A new digital economy is emerging powered by AI, remote work, and global demand for specialized micro skills. The barrier to entry, lower than ever. The income potential, higher than most traditional jobs. Today, we're breaking down 3 hidden side hustles already paying every day. Americans up to $500 a day. First, AI prompt engineering. Companies are racing to integrate artificial intelligence into everything from marketing to customer service. But here's the problem: most people don't know how to talk to AI effectively. That's where prompt engineers come in. This job is simple in concept. You write precise instructions that help AI generate better results. Businesses are paying anywhere from $50 to $200 per task, and experienced freelancers are stacking multiple clients daily. The best part? You don't need a coding degree. You can start with tools like ChatGPT, learn prompt frameworks in a few days, and begin offering services on freelance platforms. In 2026, clarity of instruction is currency, and prompt engineers are cashing in. Second, digital product testing. Every app, website, and online platform needs one thing before launch: real user feedback. Companies are willing to pay fast for it. Platforms like User Testing, Playtest Cloud, and Trymotic connect everyday users with companies willing to pay $10 to $60 per test, with each session lasting just 10 to 20 minutes. Top testers? They stack multiple sessions daily, easily hitting $200 to $500 per day. No special skills required, just a smartphone, internet connection, and the ability to clearly explain your experience. In a digital-first world, your opinion has never been more valuable. Third, and most powerful, high-ticket remote appointment setting. This is where the real money is. Businesses selling high-value services like coaching, consulting, or software need qualified calls booked on their calendars. That's your role. You don't close the sale. You simply qualify leads and set appointments. But here's the kicker: you get paid per booked call, often $50 to $150 each. Top setters book 5-10 calls per day. Do the math, that's $500 plus daily, all from your laptop. No inventory, no ads, just communication skills and a proven script. This is the reality of 2026. The traditional job market is no longer the only path to financial security. The people winning right now are adapting, learning high-value digital skills, and acting fast. So the question is, will you stay stuck in the old system, or step into the new economy? Subscribe to Wealth Report USA, because the next financial opportunity might not wait. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not professional financial advice. Investing involves risk. Always do your own research.